Hello friends, good day and welcome to my channel. My name is Samnebo. What is going on, guys? Hey, wow, how is the day moving with you guys? All right, so if you look at what is going on with Bitcoin, they say that Elon Musk bought 1.5 billion Bitcoin today. Wow. Oh, it's crazy, guys. It's crazy what we are seeing here, but something is fishy, okay? And I want you guys to pay very good attention to what is going on. If you before I continue, I just want you to subscribe to this channel, guys. Subscribe and let us do this thing together and be able to ride on this wave and make the best out of what we are seeing. Now, they said that, you know, a few minutes ago, Bitcoin was here, and I know that, you know, I was expecting it to at least break this, but it was very, very aggressive, and you can see this bull candle. Okay, this shows a very strong, you know, pumping of the money here. Okay, this is not a small money, and they said from the news that Elon Musk bought 1.5 billion dollars worth of US Bitcoin. All right, now looking at the whole chart, and what we see here, you see, my own take is that whether Elon Musk is buying here, who bought here or here, all this is part of the structure, guys. All this is part of the structure, okay? Every move of the market is part of the structure of the market, okay? Every move is part of the structure. We saw that this isn't completed yet, and we are still expecting the next move. All right, so now the question is that what are we to expect from now? All right, so now there are things that you should pay very good attention to, okay? There are things you should pay very good attention to, and that is that the market has rallied for a very long time, all right? Nothing goes on forever. It had it for a very long time. Look at from here, guys. From here, guys, this is just crazy. It's going up, it's going up, it's going up. It's selling for a very long time. So our mark here is 50,000. 50,000. And if you take a look at what is happening here, you see that this thing can drop anytime. Okay? This thing can drop anytime, and that drop will be massive. There are something I'm seeing here. I'm seeing that even though this is moving up, there is no momentum supporting this move, guy. There is no momentum supporting this move. That is, the volume that is supporting this move is not equivalent to the move. All right? It's not equivalent to the move. So what my best advice now is just to be careful, okay? To be careful with Bitcoin, because I think we are getting to the end of the Bitcoin bull run of this season, okay? Because before we expect the next big correction, all right? So things that we might see in the very next week might be this very massive run and something like this, okay? Before we can think of going up again. So that is why I want you to see. Now, if you check a look of this, we're expecting at least to get to 49 to 50 range. So within this range, we're expecting it to get to, which nobody knows exactly if it's going to get there today or not, but that's where we're expecting Bitcoin to get to within this time. But if you take a look at the whole thing, that it might be the beginning of the next bull run, okay? If actually it consolidates here, and with the equivalent momentum and it start pushing, good, that will be it. But the way it is here, the way it has been moving here, and it pushes out, there are a lot of chances, higher percentage of chances that something like this can happen. Okay, we've seen that happen a lot of times. Something like this can happen. So that's why you just need to be careful. Now, in this season, I think the altcoins will do better off now. Okay, altcoin will do better off. All right, so the altcoin is ready to do better off than Bitcoin in this season. All right, in this season, altcoin will do better off than Bitcoin in this season. All right, so but anyway, Bitcoin is still the king of cryptocurrency, and just if you are day trading it, just trade with care. As an investor, you have nothing to fear. You know, investor, you have nothing to fear, because definitely we're all trading to get more Bitcoin. But based on this move, there is no momentum supporting that. All right, so let's quickly look at one of those other coins like Ethereum and see what we might be expecting. You see, the same thing applies here. Ethereum is still, I think, is a coin. Something will be going within this range for some time, and there's not much thing here. We forecasted it to get to $2,000. Okay, $2,000. So until this, the way we might be trading it, as it breaks here, so you wait for something like this for it to get to that $2,000. Nobody knows exactly the pattern is going to form here, but there will be a slight correction in between here before it gets to the $2,000 as we forecasted. Now the Cardano guys, you know, that's somebody was telling me, is it time for me to take profit? Now looking at Cardano, let's go back to hourly chart here. You see that, well, this move is not that aggressive, so we are thinking if we can break this high, previous high, okay, this previous high here, okay, I think it has broken it, previous high, so maybe there will be a slight push again, you know, something like this, and depends on what we see here. If there's a sharp move down, you know, that can correspond to this previous sharp move down, then that might be a good indication that something big will happen in Cardano. But if that's not the case, if we begin to see something like this, you know, that will tell us that the move might be over. Okay, because looking at it here, we are seeing divergence all over the chart. All right, but look at other coin like Dogecoin. Dogecoin. I think Dogecoin, man, is still moving, it's still pumping. A lot of Doge, guys, a lot of Doge. I love this coin because, you know, from nowhere, you know, a lot of potential gain this coin has made us this last weeks or so, and I think look at what is going. There is no indication that this is reversing at all. So don't touch that Doge, man. Don't touch that Doge, and hold the Doge. Let's see how it goes. Let's see where it gets to. And everything is looking bullish on Doge. And you know, there's something I actually discovered, that if you get a right timing on some of these local altcoin, it will quadruple your Bitcoin holding within a week or so. All right, so but to get the right timing is the key. But I believe Doge will do a very good job, you know, for people that are holding it. And within, even Elon Musk said that, you know, Doge, they are pushing Doge to $1. Wow, let's hope and see. You get to $1, man. That'll be a big money. A big money for a lot of us. All right, guys, so that is what I see here. Dogecoin is massive, it's still going. Don't touch that Doge. Nothing shows weakness here. Everything is still, you know, showing strength all over the market. All right, so that is just what we have to say. All right, so trade responsibly, and please subscribe to this channel, give it a like, thumb up, and click that notification bell. And as you see all other developments, we'll be able to share with you guys. And if you have any coin you want us to personally analyze, then we can do it for you. And that's why you need to subscribe and know the next time we release a video. Thank you once again, and have a lovely afternoon.